Those are my great grandparents.
Oh.
And there's, yeah,
On your mom or dad's side?
on my dad's side.
Cool.
And that's the only photo of them. He is also named Leandro, and he died like young. He's just like in his 40s. He died in like 1905 or 1906 or something. And then, but she lived, I forgot her name, was like Juana or something. She lived until the 40s, until like 45 or 46. And my granddad knew her very well. I don't know, late 1800s, early 1900s.
Gotcha.
Before he died, so it's got to be before.
Yeah. Retouch that stuff.
Really?
We'll try that after
Okay.
I scan it.
Cool.
But I can't get the scanning software to work on my computer because I just downloaded it, so I'm going to use it on this one.
Can you tell me about your scanner? Fancy.
It's old and it's slow, but it works. And that's all that matters.
Special. It's got some writing on the back.
I saw that, yeah.
Apparently that was like at a wedding. So we can get it.
Wow, this screen is so small now.
Yo, I found my dad has another camera, a Canon 30D.
Oh,
From like 2006.
Like an original digital.
Yeah,
Not original, but still.
like very old.
Yeah,
I wonder how good it can be.
it'd still be pretty good.
Yeah,
I'd imagine. Let's see. Google 30D.
It wasn't a Revel. It's not. It's just 30D. EOS. Yeah. We're gonna see it come up here.
No, I'm just an idiot, and I didn't change it to positive.
Oh, it was negative.
So, yeah. It's probably in black and white from what I scanned last time.
Does he look like me?
I think so. A little bit. I don't know.
That's what my parents say.
Yeah.
Too bad you can't see her face.
Yeah, well, we'll see if what we
Well,
can get
my
back
dad
on
said there was a photo of her, older, right?
Mm-hmm.
He was gonna get that photo. The family member who had it was gonna give it to him, but he didn't want it.
Gotcha.
But now he says he wants it.
Oops.
Oh, so you haven't even scanned it?
Now it's scanning. Yeah.
Well, that's
that
crazy.
Was the pre-scan.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, that was
The pre-scan.
It's a pain. It takes forever to do. It's really annoying. I don't think I've ever done the retouch thing, so we'll just watch a YouTube video. Remove artifacts. Let's try to remove artifacts first. Did that even do anything?
Did you do it?
Did you see a difference? Yeah. Isn't this crazy? You can like change someone's expression with
really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ugh,
It's crazy.
You're gonna mess with the color on Lightroom?
Yeah, I can give a little more detail.
I don't know how good it's gonna look on camera. Okay. So the left one's the new one?
The left one's before.
Before.
This one's after.
I don't know how well this is gonna pick up the difference. It's very noticeable in person though.
Boom. Crazy.
I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but there's something outside. Makes my dog go wild. It's midday, so There's always like the mail is coming. There's always people jogging outside the house and stuff, and it makes her go crazy. All right, here's the song. Here's what I've been working with. One thing I immediately noticed I gotta do the snare. Gotta add some sort of reverb to it. Okay, I think that sounds better. Let's add some guitar to it. Had to bring out the big boy for this, the Ibanez. This is one of them Gibson hollow body copies. Semi-hollow body, I guess. I'll show you this right here. Right there, the neck, it was hung badly and it snapped and it fell and broke the neck, but it was put back together. This guitar plays, okay? This guitar is dope. So we're gonna try it with this shit.
Yeah, 12 to 2 on
No, on
7 to 2. It's on.
I thought it was regular hours on Saturday.
No, on Saturdays it's 7 to 2. On Sundays it's noon to 4.
Yeah. More you know.
What up, world? Cameras can never catch the genuine environment.
They can
There's
never
always
catch
the-
you, right?
There's always the observer drift. Reactivity. That's what it's called. You know, this ain't me. This is me trying to be me, but that ain't me. I don't know how this car is still alive.
No, right?
She's still going though.
It has loyalty. This car doesn't want to die.
It's a 2000 Buick Park Avenue. So it
2000.
came out in 99, bro. This car could be older than you. I don't plan on having it much longer. No.
You looking?
I've been looking.
Nothing good though.
I don't know. Car prices are up right now because COVID.
Yeah.
Hopefully
And
those
parts
get lowered.
shortage.
Yeah.
Because of COVID.
Well, I mean, yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know. But that's what they say about gas prices. They take the elevator to the top, but take the stairs down. That's what Nancy Pelosi said.
That's what Nancy Pelosi said.
I mean, it makes sense, though.
I see. I can understand. I understand that.
Who
yeah.
controls gas prices? Like,
I
what?
mean, no, the market controls gas.
I know, but like, say,
some
like,
people say like invest the people that trade in like gas futures that like, oh, this much gas is going to be produced in like whatever, you know, or you know what I mean, like gas,
Yeah.
like commodities and stuff.
do local gas stations and stuff, are they given like daily updates on what gas prices should be, or like?
I bet there's some math that goes behind like, this is how much we paid for gas like this morning, you know, we have to set the price this much, you know what I mean?
I mean, they could set a lot higher if there's not. I mean, well, they could have because competition.
Honestly.
What?
Yeah, it was real wet.
These kids.
Just fucking kids, bro. What are they, like 12 driving? They drive at 12 already?
Kids mature a lot quicker, so yeah, they qualify for a driver's license at a much younger age than we did.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Currently very rainy. Trying to get out of the wide parking lot. I was mad gaming last night, bro.
I haven't really been gamed in like a week or so. More like 2 or 3. After I beat God of War, I've been reading my books. I'm on to the second book of the Southern Reach trilogy, Authority.
Of the what trilogy?
The Southern Reach trilogy. That's what Annihilation.
Never heard
The
of
movie Annihilation is based off the book Annihilation.
that. Never heard of the movie. That was broken
And Natalie
out.
Portman. Yes, you have.
No, I
We've
haven't.
watched it at the apartment. Like,
Annihilation?
yeah, there's Natalie Portman, Oscar Isaac's in it. Anyway, it's like,
I never watched that. I've never heard of that.
well, you should watch it. It's pretty good. It's very loosely based on the book. The book is completely different, and the book is the first in a trilogy called the Southern Reach trilogy.
What is it about?
Basically, there's this area, Florida, I think it is, that there's this like weird border. It's so hard to explain. It's kind of like extraterrestrial sci-fi stuff.
What is it? The movie? Is it a newer movie?
Yeah, it came out in 2018.
I think I know what movie you're talking about.
Yeah.
I didn't watch that movie, no. I never watched that movie.
It's really, I mean, the movie isn't even close to being as good as the book.
Yeah.
It is immensely different, but the movie's pretty terrifying. Like, it does a good job at scaring them. It's insane. I've also been reading the Haikyuu manga.
How's
I'm
that?
plowing through that. It's really good. It's really long. It's
Yeah.
405 chapters. I'm on chapter like 374. Hey, did you watch Haikyuu?
No.
You should. It's really good. That'll get you pumped, bro.
I don't know, bro. I don't know how to feel about sports anime.
No, bro. Have you ever tried a sports anime?
Kuroko no Basket.
I've heard that's a lot different than Haikyuu, bro. Haikyuu is... Oh, bro, it's just so good.
I don't know, bro. I'm not into anime right now. I just like shows, like TV shows, you know?
I'm not as much into anime as I was before, but I'm always watching an anime at some point, I think.